What are the type of dental softwares? Many times dentists get confused on which type of dental software they should buy. There are a huge number of dental softwares available in the market. Selecting the right one is always challenging, especially if the dentists are not technically sound. Moreover, the dental software companies will try to highlight their technology as the best. These all create a lot of confusion. With this video, we are trying to explain different type of dental softwares and which one you should buy. Before we start, if you have not registered for our videos, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not lose any upcoming videos. The dental softwares are mainly classified into two. The first one is online cloud-based dental software and second one is offline on-premise dental software. As the name suggests, the online dental software are cloud-based software which runs from a remote server just like Google or Amazon. There will not be any local installation or local storage of patient data. Everything will be on cloud. The main advantage is that all the data is safe from hardware crash or software issues like operating system crash or virus attack. The online dental software can again be classified into two: SaaS model and private cloud. In SaaS or software as a service model, a common software and database will be shared with multiple clients. All the data from different clients will be getting saved into the same database separated with customer ID. Since the software, database and servers are shared among all the clients, the cost per client would be much lower. Now let's see some of the benefits and drawback of online SaaS application. The first one is frequent updates. Since there are multiple clients using the same software, if any good feature is added, all the clients will get benefited with that new feature update. The second benefit is no need of local installation. Since this is an online system, everything can be accessed over the internet. So that means there is no need of local installation in any of the computer. The third benefit is instantaneous setup. Just get into the website, register online and start using the software. The fourth point is low cost. Since the resources like software, hosting and account management is shared with all the clients, the cost per client would be much lower. The fifth point is scalability. If you add one location or more than one location into your existing practice, it's pretty easy to add in the online SaaS model. The sixth benefit is the software is not hardware specific. So that means you can use any devices to access the software like say a Windows PC, Mac, tablets, iPad or any mobile device. The seventh benefit is that this software works in any operating system. So that means any device which is having a browser is capable of running this software. The eighth benefit is the backup. Normally the online systems will have an automated backup and a mirror mechanism to safeguard the data. The ninth benefit, perhaps the most important benefit, is that the software can be accessed from anywhere, anytime on any device. The 10th benefit is personalization. There may have options to upload the clinic banner, the letterhead for prescription, invoice, SMS customization, etc. Now let's see some of the drawbacks of online SaaS-based software. The first one is not customizable. The same software is used by multiple clients, so a client-specific customization is not possible in the online SaaS model. The second drawback is internet bandwidth dependency. Just like any other online system, you need to have proper internet connection to use the software. The third drawback is data security. There are many companies providing online application. They should be using a proper mechanism to safeguard the data like a proper server, proper backup mechanism, antiviruses, third-party access, etc. So you should select a company who is giving a proper support and a proper mechanism to maintain your patient data. The fifth drawback is the performance issues. When you compare with the offline dental software, this software is mostly dependent on the internet connection and the server performance. So if there is any issue with the server performance or internet connection speed, the software will show some kind of performance issues. The last drawback is other integrations. Integration with hardware or integration with the software will be difficult in the case of online SaaS application. In the private cloud model, either the software company or the dental office has to buy a cloud server. Running a cloud exclusively for one client may incur huge cost for that client. So the private cloud model is more suitable for corporates or bigger setups. Now let's see some of the benefits of private cloud. The first one is option for customization. Since this software is made for one client, there are options for customization specific to that client. The second benefit is no need of client installation. Everything is residing on a common private cloud, so there is no installation required on each of the client machines. The third benefit is the scalability. Since this is a cloud, we can scale to any level. The fourth benefit is not hardware specific. So that means we can use any device, any operating system to use the software since everything is working on a browser. The fifth benefit is backup. Since we are using cloud, there will have some mechanisms for automated backup and mirroring. The sixth benefit is work from anywhere, anytime. Since this is a cloud, it works 24/7, so you can access the software anytime from anywhere. Now let's see some of the drawbacks of private cloud. The first one is high running cost. Since the cloud server is running for one client, the cost for that one client would be higher. The second drawback is you need to have a cloud expert to help you. It can be provided by the vendor or you may require a dedicated staff to manage the cloud servers. The fourth drawback, the software is internet bandwidth dependent. That means if there is any issue with internet connection, the software will not perform well. The offline dental softwares are installed in one of the computer or server in the clinic. All the other computers will access the software over the Wi-Fi or LAN connection. The offline softwares are available in two models, browser-based application and Windows or Mac-based application. It is always beneficial to take the browser-based applications since it does not require any installation on the client computers. It requires only one installation on the server. Any computer or the tablet can access the software in the network. In the case of Windows or Mac-based application, it requires installations in every client computers and maintenance is also high. Now let's see some of the benefit of offline dental software. The first one is complete control. Since the software and database resides in your local server, you have a better control over it. The second benefit is the software is customizable. Since the software is residing on your server, you can do any kind of customization through the vendor. The third benefit is that the offline software would be comparatively faster than the online software since the offline software is not internet dependent. The last benefit is maximum uptime. Since offline software is not connected with internet, if there is any issue with the internet connection, still the offline software will work smoothly. That ensures maximum uptime. Now let's see some of the drawbacks of offline software. The first one is high investments. You may require to have a good machine as your server, or if you have multiple client machines, then you need to have a dedicated server, so that adds to your hardware cost. The second drawback is you may require a hardware support. So that means you may require hardware support for your server, network, or for the client machines. The last drawback, it requires a local installation. So that may require manpower, installation time, and network setting. So what is the conclusion? The final decision depends on your style of practice. If you are a traveling dentist, or if you have multiple offices, or if you are worried on local data storage, then the online is good for you. If you have a small or a moderate size practice, then go for SaaS based online software. If you are a corporate or a larger setup, then go for private cloud model. If you have issues with internet connection or worried on cloud storage, then opt for offline software, but please select a browser based software. Let me give you one last point too. If you want to access the offline software outside the practice, there are options. This can be done through static IP or through VPN. If you have any questions, please put in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.